This is a game changer. Before you watch this video, I just want to let you know that this is not a tech review, kind of like a tech opinion of what I have recently purchased. So if you are not interested in technology and things of that sort, then just go on your merry way and don't watch this video. If not, if you want to stick around, check out what it is that I bought, stay tuned then. This is for you. Oh boy. This is a game changer. Oh, mamma mia. A lot of you probably know what this is. If you don't, you see it? You see it? Blue microphone. When making videos, any sort of type of movie, of anything, the audio is key. You know, ask yourself how many times do you click on videos and the audio is either not lined up or is really noisy or windy, stuff like that. You click away. You tend to not stick around for more than literally like 2 or 3 seconds. So audio is key, and I've done lots of research. I've also watched tons of YouTube videos on these blue microphones for YouTubers, and they are great. Not only for YouTubing, it's also good for doing podcasts, or if you are a radio DJ and have a pretty neat job, these things will also do you well. I think I paid like $90 for this. This is a used one. Hopefully it's as good as everybody says it is. All the reviews I've seen on these have been really positive. I also did some research on these lavalier lapel mics. This one by Pop Voice. Supposed to be really good. Comes with this this little baggie here. Keep all your little jazzy stuff. Comes with I believe a laptop. Comes with a laptop adapter and 2 extra foam things for the mic itself, which is right here. You can see it. It's amazing. Let's try it out. But I believe that if you're going to use this for the cell phone, you have to have a voice recording app. Some phones come with it pre-programmed. I don't think the new ones do. I know that this Galaxy S7 does not. I've checked. Sad day. Clip onto your shirt. 3.5 adapter. Goes into phone like so. What I'm going to do is with these microphones is I'm going to test them out. And you guys can see as well as me how good or bad the quality of the sound is on these microphones. This right here is what the phone sounds like by itself, not with a lapel mic, so hopefully the lapel mic sounds better than this. I think I paid like 12 bucks for this, which is not expensive at all, and if it gets the job done for what I'm doing, awesome. Phones are amazing. Remember that. So I've got everything hooked up. I've got all the mics hooked up. I've got the blue here. I got the lapel here. I got my camera mic. So we're going to see which ones perform the best. By the way, the camera mic I have is a Rode microphone. The cheap $90 I think is the one it is. No, it's like 70 bucks. I don't know. I don't know. For the price, it gets good quality. I love the Rode microphone. One of the issues I have with this specific one is it gives a lot of noise. White noise in the background sucks. You have to get in on your editing program, and then you've got to denoise the audio, and sometimes you have to denoise it a lot, and then it sounds like you're talking in a can. That sucks. So I don't recommend this specific Rode microphone. Find something better. You can do it. Yeah. Anyway, so camera mic, and in 3 seconds we're going to switch to the lapel mic in 3, 2, 1. Now we are in the lapel mic. Like I said, this lapel mic is from Pop Voice. I paid $12 for it, $13, I can't remember. It's really cheap. You can plug it in your cell phone. It works with your cell phone, works in cameras, laptops, desktops, pretty much anything with a 3.5 hookup. So yeah, your phones, your laptops, your tablets, your good stuffs. Yeah, so lapel mic. And we're going to switch to the Blue Yeti mic in 3, 2, 1. Alright, just so you guys know, this microphone is amazing. This is actually how it sounds. I found a trick to get rid of that freaking awful noise that I'm going to show you right here.
Check, check, check.
See, that noise is apparently an interference with some magnetic field because this microphone is just that awesome. So I've been searching on the internet for the last 2 hours trying to figure out how to fix this. Everybody says buy these USB power things, so I bought one of those for $10. Hopefully that works, because with my audio recording devices such as Audacity and the other ones that I use, it gives you that awful noise. So I found a trick around this. Is basically I have a screen recorder that records my laptop and everything that goes into it, which for some reason I can record my audio perfectly when I'm recording my screen with my computer. So that is awesome, and maybe that's just what I'm gonna have to do, which kind of stinks, but once again, this microphone is awesome. So today's episode has just been kind of a little tech gear review, because I bought some things, some microphones, and I approve of them. Every two of them. I approve of every two of them that I bought. I will continue to work on this Blue Yeti mic problem. I've searched the internet to and fro, and all the solutions they've given me have sucked. But anyway, like I mentioned earlier in a previous video, I play music, so that's where we're gonna go today. Let's go jam. No smoothie today. Today's a V8 day. Time to go rock. Something good is gonna come up today. Which I really shouldn't complain, because I just got a really nice microphone. 2 really nice microphones. Life's good, you know? I'm alive, I'm breathing, I'm well, it's dark. Also, new cars are amazing because they've got this gnarly backup camera. I'm taking you to the studio. Let's go rock. Oh, okay. So today, over here at the studio, I am jamming with my cousin Sierra, who is a phenomenal musician. V8, surprisingly okay.
What did like us doing?
This is her. This is the girl I was telling you about. She's a rock star.
Oh yeah.
She's pretty groovy, but we're gonna jam now. So amps on.
I start with this one, so you have to sing most of it, and I can just.
We need to come over like warm-ups.
Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
One. Jam sesh was successful. Sierra is now gone, and I am tired and ready for bed, so yeah. This is a shirt that I absolutely am in love with. I'm just gonna hang it up, but what it says is work hard and dream big. This is one of my favorite t-shirts. This is like one of my favorite sayings, and I'm a true believer in that. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. But remember, kids, work hard, dream big, stay awesome.